Hi, people are always asking me what I do for my skincare regimen. So I teamed up with Poéthique to show you my 3-step process of how to maintain healthy, vibrant skin in this fall season. So come with me and I'll show you. So now I'm going to start my 3-step process. First, I use the cleansing milk, then the serum, and then I finish it with the elixir. What I really like about that deeply cleansing milk is that it's not a foam, because foams actually dry your skin and this hydrates. So I'm really excited to do the next step, which is the serum. I really like that boosting serum because it gently exfoliates my face and leaves it so much brighter. The last step is the elixir. I love the elixir because it's blended with nourishing oils and it leaves my face healthy, balanced, and glowing. I've used many products in the past, but I really have found Poéthique works perfect for my skin. My skin is glowing and radiant. I don't even want to put any makeup on for today except for my lip gloss. If you'd like to find out more about Poéthique and the products that I used, check out their website below.